Which of the following is not a type of wetland? A. Desert. What is the name for the study of birds? B. Ornithology. Which of the following is not a phase of the water cycle? C. Infiltration. What is the primary source of energy for life on Earth? C. Sun. What is the term for the process of one tectonic plate sliding beneath another? A. Subduction. Which of the following is not a type of symbiotic relationship? A. Predation. What is the process by which plants lose water through their leaves called? B. Transpiration. Which of the following is not a type of renewable energy? C. Nuclear. What is the term for the area where fresh water from a river meets the salt water of the ocean? C. Estuary. What is the name for the process by which rocks are broken down into smaller pieces? A. Weathering.